What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we have a very special video because we finally hit 20,000 subscribers on this channel. I've been working super hard for 4 years on YouTube, grinding until this point. I'm finally at 20K. That's it's a solid difference, right? We're so close to 100,000 subscribers, only 80,000 left. Officially only 80,000 left. We're making moves. Speaking of making moves, we have a whole special merch launch dedicated to the 20K. We got t-shirts. Things don't always go as planned, and that's kind of gonna be the whole theme of this video because as you can see right here, we don't actually have the t-shirts, but this is what it will look like. We have the Gen Gang. This design, we have it in the long sleeve. It's gonna come in a black, heather gray, in a pink. We have a hot pink shirt, Kyle. It's
perfect
cool.
for me.
Yep.
You have an extra small for me?
Yeah, I do have an extra small pink one for you.
Okay,
it's
perfect.
coming. I'll give it to you when it gets here. Then we have these awesome hoodies right here. It's got the Gen Gang Hit logo on the front, nothing on the back. It's just plain and simple. But if some of you just want a regular plain Gen Gang t-shirt, we got that for you guys too. If you liked the Gen Gang logo that we made on the back of the shirt for the long sleeve, but you don't quite want a long sleeve, we got it in a t-shirt for you too. Everything.
Got it all.
We got it all. We even have what, Kyle? Masks. Edit the mask on me, Kyle. Put it on me. There it is. We even have Gen Gang masks. If some of you missed out on the key tags the first time around, we have more key tags coming. I don't have them yet. Those won't be for sale yet because I don't know when they're gonna get here. I don't even have my own key tag anymore because I gave it away to somebody.
You're so nice.
That's how it goes.
Just how you are.
We'll hit more merch plugs, I swear, as I get in my own merchandise because I don't have it. Actually, Kyle, put the shirt on me. There we go. Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks great.
Great.
Yeah, perfect.
Links will be down in the description. All right, we're done messing around. Let's get to the real nitty gritty. Why are we here today? Just as we said before, things don't always go as planned. I know I put a lot of time and effort into making the renderings for this car. A lot of time and effort to actually wide body the car. We got the wheels you saw. Me and Kyle sat down, measured them out. Those wheels have already been out to Nifty built. Let's put in the clip of me bringing them to Nifty built wheels. We just got them. It's already time to say goodbye. They're in your hands, Ricky. Back at Nifty built. I don't know when these are gonna be back because I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but I'll talk to you guys about that a little bit later. They're being split apart. I should be getting those wheels back soon, and they will be perfectly built to fit this wide body kit. However, we're taking this wide body kit off today.
Why are you doing that?
Things don't always go as planned. I can't tell you quite yet what's gonna happen, but this is coming off. So if you want this wide body kit for your Porsche, for your Cayman, it will be for sale. If you want this kit for your Genesis, you could pull it off and try and mount it to your Genesis. Kyle will be glad to help you mount it to your car.
We definitely can.
Yeah.
We'll have lots and lots of Bondo.
Really though, we're gonna stop joking and make an actual quality video now and stop being cheesy like every other YouTuber. Realistically, we have to pull this thing off, and unfortunately, that's what's gonna happen. If you guys are wondering if I'm gonna pull this off and then have holes inside the body, no, I'm gonna show you guys a little method that you can do. If you have to pull off your wide body kit pieces, you can get wrap. That's the same exact color as your car. Cut out little circles and put them over the holes so at least it doesn't look silly.
It's still gonna look silly.
It's not gonna look like I have bullet holes through my whole car. People that
But that's cool though. People pay money to have their bullet holes stickers on their car.
That is true.
It's true.
People paid money to put their bullet hole stickers on their car. But this is a really, really cheap alternative. Do you know how much this cost me, Kyle? Take a guess.
30 bucks.
Not even close. This cost me a total of $9 for these squares and to get shipped to me. Like total, $9 total. So I'm not really in the hole for getting this colored vinyl and covering up all the holes.
You're not in the hole.
Yeah, this is a bad video.
This is a bad video.
It's okay.
You never have a good video when I'm around. I'm sorry.
20,000 subscribers.
Start all over.
I thought I was done making stupid videos. I thought I was like, from here on out, I'm only making good quality videos. That's what I thought I told myself.
You just can't come over here, that's all I guess.
And I can't do it. Can't not be stupid, apparently. Okay, I do want to say genuinely, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching this channel and giving me the amount of support that I've been seeing in total across my channel, but more recently, we've had a big increase in the amount of people who have been supporting the channel and watching all the stuff. And so to you guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys, right? We appreciate everything, even Kyle.
Yeah.
I appreciate everybody who hits up Kyle for work.
I do too. I do. Yeah.
Yeah.
And no more what boxes.
Can I see this?
Yep. There we go. One.
We're gonna mark this right now. This is the first video ever documented on YouTube of un-widebodying a wide body car. Do you think that's true? I never.
Probably, because you were gonna time this? All right.
Okay, so I wanted to make an overall message as Kyle's doing all this work back here on wide-bodying the wide body, is to say that, you know, sometimes plans do change, no matter what it is that you had intended to do, whether it, you know, whether it be something in life or a goal or something, and somewhere along the way, those plans changed. It's not always a bad thing, and it's okay. Sometimes you have to make a hard decision to change that plan, right? Because this was a hard decision for me.
Yeah, because you have a lot of money and time and everything involved already.
Yeah, and I put in a lot of time thinking about this and questioning whether I should do it and whether this decision was right. And what we ended up deciding is that this is the way to go.
This is the way to go.
This is the way. Do you get that?
No.
You don't watch The Mandalorian?
No, I don't, sorry.
This is the way.
Hold
this
that.
is the way.
This is not the way.
Holes in a Porsche for no reason.
Sacrilegious Porsche guy.
Yeah, sacrilegious. Again, if anybody wants this kit, it's free. I'm just kidding, it's not free. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad.
And also the rubbing marks, where it was rubbing.
Yeah, it looks bad, huh? Dude, this whole thing, this whole video of things don't go as planned, you know, couldn't be more fitting. I installed this wide body with the intentions of having those wheels fit, right?
Yep.
They didn't. So I needed to send them to the shop to get rebuilt. I got them rebuilt. During that time, I was supposed to put on adapters to take the Genesis wheels because the Genesis is sitting and not legal to drive on the streets, but that's another conversation for another time I haven't told people about. I was planning on taking the Genesis wheels and putting them on the Cayman. However, they didn't fit. I'll admit this now, embarrassingly, I've been driving around like this with the car wide bodied looking this silly for how long, Kyle? 2.5, 3 weeks?
Too long.
2.5, 3 weeks, like this. Like a UFO, because things didn't go as planned. Currently, we have all of the fender flares, side skirts, everything off. The entire kit is off the car. We're now ready to put the vinyl over the holes.
What are you doing over here?
I'm putting this vinyl.
Is it straight?
I mean, straight enough.
Looks pretty straight.
That's what we got.
We got some strips. Now let's make them into squares.
Yep.
Let's try it out.
See
Or she'll stick.
Let's see what it looks like.
Well,
it's gone.
the hole's gone.
The hole
Now we
is
just
gone.
have a square.
Can you see the square?
I mean, I can see the square.
Is it bad?
It looks like a square.
Is it worse than the hole?
That is debatable.
Up to interpretation?
Yeah. But now you won't leak water inside your holes.
Yeah. Alright, Kyle, the time has come. We've got all the stickers on. You can barely tell. You can barely tell. So I got all the little pieces of vinyl wrap put around the entire car. And it looks funny. This also didn't go as expected. I thought this would actually blend a lot better than it did. And it doesn't.
Not so much.
Not at all. Like,
But it's safer.
yeah. Look at this. You can clearly see that.
That's all right. We're safe now.
It's safer.
It's watertight. Not gonna rust. You're good.
Yeah. Like I said, this is a temporary hold. Obviously, this is not permanent. Just like the self-tapping screws were temporary, not permanent. These fenders on the car were temporary, not permanent. And that's the whole theme of this video. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay, and you just kind of got to roll with it. Sometimes better opportunities come, and you have to really weigh out the pros and cons and debate whether or not the right decision is to ditch your previous plans and to go with something new. Sometimes that's a hard decision. For me, this was an extremely hard decision, even though this opportunity was awesome. With that, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to cop any of the merch for the 20,000 subscriber benchmark, release, whatever, links will be in the description and attached to the channel. It's basically just a feeler to see how you guys respond to this. If you guys like the merchandise, if you guys like the idea, let me know in the comments down below, because if that is so, I'm gonna try to research and do better quality, unique stuff, house inventory by myself. But this time, like I said, is just kind of a first time go, just to dip my feet into the water to see what it would be and how people would respond. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys haven't already subscribed, go ahead, subscribe. We're only 80,000 away from 100,000. So close, right? Follow me on Instagram, because all this probably went up on Instagram before it went up on YouTube, as well as if you haven't followed Kyle yet, Mr. Cruise and by Design, his Instagram will be on here as well. Hit up if you're in SoCal and you need any work done from your car, whether it be a watt box, tuning your Prius, lowering your car, installing bags, whatever you need.
Wide bodies, custom work, inside and out maintenance, whatever you need, I got it.
Yes. If you just need wiring diagrams for your car, hit up Kyle.
I don't have those. I don't.
Hit up Kyle. He will have that. If you need the OEM manufacturer's guide on how to fix your car, Kyle has everything that you need.
Some really bad websites.
Hit up Kyle. Okay, all jokes aside, thank you guys so much again for watching this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. We have some exciting stuff coming. Really exciting stuff. Right, Kyle? We're out of here.